Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll take a tour of a beautiful property in Kanha National Park, Kanha Earth Lodge. This is the outside area of the property. Your cars can be parked here, and they have made a beautiful area, the meet and greet area. So this is not your regular resort where you have a reception and everything. This is a very different property. So let's see. Kanha Earth Lodge is an eco-luxury lodge from Pugdundee Safaris. Pugdundee Safari is one of India's leading safari companies, and they have eco-wildlife lodges. As you enter in the main area of the property, you'll see a souvenir shop here. You can buy your knickknacks, and here you have a water refilling station also. So you can fill your water bottles from here. यहाँ स्विमिंग पूल, ऑर्गेनिक वेजिटेबल गार्डन एंड ये रात को भी सनसेट हो गया है. बस दे गोना लिट दिस अप. तब तक हम और घूम कर रखते हैं. Here you have some information about the Kanha Earth Lodge, also about the Kanha National Park. And this is the way to the reception. Here is the common washroom you can use. Then they have their office here. This is the office. Let's go. This is a little sitting area. We'll just go and see this. This is actually the lobby. And this is a room where they have some books. It's like a library, and they show a wildlife movie here every evening. And this is their dining room. So this property, they don't have any restaurant, and that makes it very special, because nowadays you don't see such dining rooms in any property. And this is the outside area. You have few sitting arrangement here. In winters, in the night time, you can actually do bonfire, and you can actually have your meal here also. They arrange meals outside. And in winters, it's really enjoyable. There's another outside area where they arrange meals. We had a lovely dinner here outside, and I'm just going to show you how they arrange, and it's beautiful. The special thing about dining here is having local food cooked in earthen pots. Alright, now let's go upstairs right outside the lobby and see what they have on the terrace. Okay, so this area is also for your get togethers. Here you have an arrangement for barbecue, like if you're coming in large groups, you can do your personal parties here too. Alright, now it's time to check out the room. The whole property is made by using local stone and waste wood. As I told you, it's an eco-luxury lodge. So you'll find everything very eco-friendly. और ये इसका आप शेप देखो, सांप के जमुन जैसा बनाया हुआ है. Let's enter. टी कॉफी. और यहाँ की सबसे अच्छी बात है प्लास्टिक बिल्कुल यूज नहीं होता. तो ये जो आप देख रहे हैं, क्रीमर, शुगर, कॉफी, all in glass containers and glass bottles. No plastic at all. So this is the area as you enter. यहाँ पे you have tea, coffee, and ये है रूम का डोर. Let's go. This is a room. Have a huge bed here. पीछे भी आप देखिए, इसके वुडन ही ये लगाया हुआ है. Again, they have lanterns both the sides. आपको एक बार मैं रूफ भी दिखाती हूँ इसकी. All wood. Mud, stone, wood. यही चीज़ें यूज़ करी हुई हैं. सर्दी के दिन में गए हैं तो हीटर भी है. ये एक्चुअली दिस इज़ नॉट अ बेड, दिस इज़ अ सोफ़ा, जिसको जो पूरा एक बेड बन जाता है. और ये टेबल देखिए आप. Actually, let me switch on some more lights now. और इस तरफ भी ये वुडन टेबल. और ये देखिए, जब हम यहाँ पे कल चेक इन किया, ये बॉटल्स हमको दी गई हैं. सो बिकॉज दे डोंट यूज़ प्लास्टिक एट ऑल, एंड ये वी कैन टेक दीज बॉटल्स बैक होम विद अस. इस पे लिखा है पगडंडी सफारीज, कान्हा अर्थ लॉज. और ये भी वुडन का. And this is the best part about the room, an open sitting area. You can enjoy your tea while being in the nature. ओके, लेट मी शो यू द वॉशरूम. तो ये रूम के ठीक सामने वॉशरूम एरिया है. यू हैव लाइक 2 सिंक वॉश बेसिन्स, हिज एंड हर्स. उसके ठीक अपोजिट साइड पे यू हैव दिस area where you can put your clothes, you can put your suitcases. This is the WC area. यहाँ पे हीटर है, सॉरी गीज़र है, आप ऑन कर सकते हैं. और ये जितनी भी चीज़ें यहाँ पे, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, these are like hand wash and everything, all in glass containers. Everything glass containers. ये sanitary towel की जो dispose करने के लिए हैं, these are also made from newspapers. No plastic used at all. And this is the bath area, and you can see the shower, very interesting, washroom. And let me just show you a very special thing. We went in winter, and in the night they used to keep these hot water bags to keep us warm. Isn't it a sweet thing to do? So guys, that's all from Kanha Earth Lodge. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.